Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the lesson Profit, Loss and Discount. Today we will discuss the worksheet 2. Question number 1. The marked price of a pant is 1250 rupees and the shopkeeper allows a discount of 8% on it. Find the discount and the selling price of the pant. So, this worksheet is regarding marked price, selling price, discount, isn't it? So, marked price is given, that is MP of the pant is equal to rupees 1250. And they have given the discount percent. Discount percent, how much they have given? 8%. Now find the discount. How to find out the discount? That is the discount amount. Okay, that is equal to discount percent of MP. So how to find out the discount? Discount percent of MP. Profit percent of CP, loss percent of CP. So like that only, discount is equal to discount percent of MP. Discount percent is 8% of rupees 1250, that is 8 by 100 into 1250. So 0 cut, 5 2s are 5, 25s are 125, 2 1s are 2 4s are. Now 4 25s are, that is rupees 100. This is discount. Now find out the selling price. What is the formula? Selling price is equal to MP minus discount. When SP you are asked to find out and the discount amount is there, then use this formula, MP minus discount. When discount percent is given, then you can use the big formula. Okay. So rupees, MP is how much? 1250 minus discount is 100. So you get rupees 1150. So answer, discount is equal to rupees 100 and selling price is equal to rupees 1150. It was an easy sum, isn't it? Direct. So find out the discount amount and the selling price. Now the second question. The marked price of a water cooler is 5400. The shopkeeper offers an off-season discount of 20% on it. Find its selling price. So what are all given? Marked price of the water cooler means MP of the water cooler is equal to rupees 5400. Now what they are given? Discount percent. Discount percent is equal to 20%. Now they have asked you to find out SP. Now to find out SP, you can go along according to this method also. Find the discount amount and then SP is equal to MP minus discount. Otherwise, put the formula. So SP is equal to MP into 100 minus discount percent upon 100. You remember this formula, isn't it? SP is equal to MP into 100 minus discount percent upon 100. Put the values 5400 into 100 minus 20 upon 100. So that is 5400 into 100 minus 20 is 80 upon 100. 20 cut. 0 1 0, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40 plus 3 43. So here you directly get the answer. So answer, selling price of the water cooler is rupees 4,320. Here if you go according to this method, first find out the discount, then use this formula. Otherwise this is the better one. Directly you will get the SP. That was question number 2. Now coming to the question number 3. An almirah is marked price rupees 4,000 is sold for rupees 3,700 after allowing certain discount. Find the rate of discount. So they have given the marked price and sold means selling price, and they have asked you to find out the discount percent. So MP of an almirah is equal to rupees 4,000. SP sold means SP is equal to rupees 3,700, and they have asked you to find out the discount percent. How much? So for that, first find out the discount. To find the discount percent, find the discount. What is the formula? MP and SP are given. MP minus SP. So the answer is rupees 4,000 minus 3,700, that is rupees 300. This is the discount. What is the formula for discount percent? Discount upon MP into 100. Put the values. Discount is 300, MP is 4,000 into 100. It is 2 zeros cut. Now 1 0 cut, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now no cancellation, 3 5s are 15 upon 2. So it is 2 7s are 14, 1 by 2. Answer is 7.5%. Answer, rate of discount. Rate of discount means discount percent. Okay, is 7.5%. Is it clear? So we have finished the third question. Now coming to the fourth one. Find the rate of discount. So discount percent we have to find out. Being given on a ceiling fan whose selling price is given. So SP of a ceiling fan is equal to rupees 1,175 after allowing a discount of. So now discount is given. How much? Rupees 75. Now they have asked you to find out the discount percent. Now what is the formula for discount percent? Discount percent is equal to discount upon MP into 100. So here MP, is it given? No. So find out MP. Therefore MP is equal to, what is the formula? When SP and discount are there, MP is the greater one, isn't it? So that is SP plus discount. Discount is equal to MP minus SP. So MP is equal to SP plus discount. So what is the SP? It is rupees 1175 plus discount is 75. Add 5 plus 5 10, 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 15, 1 plus 1 2 and 1. Now you got the MP. Find out the discount percent. Is equal to discount upon MP into 100. Always remember, the discount percent is calculated on MP. When MP is not given, first find out that, then find out discount percent. Discount, how much they have given? 75. MP is 125 0, 1250 into 100. 0 0 cut. Now you know 25 3s are 75, 25 5s are 125. Sorry, 25, yeah, 5s are 125. So 5 1s are 5 2s are 10. So 3 2s are 6%. Hope you understood. 25 3s are 75, 25 5s are 125, 5 1s are 5 2s are 3 2s are 6. So answer, rate of interest, sorry, rate of discount, I am sorry, is 6%. Rate of discount. So all the 4 sums, first 4 sums, they were easy, isn't it? Hope everyone understood. They are direct questions, so easy. Bye. Thank you.